Hi, this is Ken from Seattle, and I'm doing a quick review on these coins I ordered from DOY from Pinky. Pinky has been my point of contact. This is my second batch of coins I ordered from her, and I'm going to do a quick review. These coins are actually came in a higher quality than what I expected. As you can see right here, the detail. Look at the detail on these coins. Let me turn it around for you. Very nice and bright and detailed. And the best part about it, it comes with a little bottle opener upon request. And check this out. Okay, came with a centerpiece spinner. Centerpiece spinner. So this was the game changer right here. So once again, Pinky never fails. Came through. Great coin, great price, great product. Definitely recommend for future requests, and I think I'm going to be coming back for a second set real soon. Thank you.